Hey guys, welcome back. I've got such an interesting video for you guys today. If you're looking for the mani on my right hand, don't bother looking in the cards. It's not there. It will be my next upload. But I've got this package from Flimsy Claws dip powders. They reached out to me, were curious about sending me some products, and I was definitely into hearing about how they do things, all their operations, MOs, and stuff like that, because after talking to the owner of this company for a while, as you can see here, they are very eco-friendly. They use biodegradable glitters, they use eco-friendly packaging, everything they use can be compostable. Yeah, that's right. So if you guys are into the environment and caring for the environment and not contributing to all of the global warming and environmental crises that we have, not just now, but for the last however many years, this is a company you want to look out for, because I think they are up and coming with all this environmental stuff. I just absolutely adore their belief systems and what they try to do with their company in relation to what we want to do with our nails. Because as you guys probably know, not everything we use is safe for the environment, safe for us, safe for our bodies. Not that we're eating dip powder, but you know what I mean. So I just really fell in love with this company. Now I'm going to do something crazy. Okay, so she sent me this color that I wanted to do something kind of business appropriate, like you can wear it to the office, Halloween though. So I'm going to do a very neutral peachy pink type look. And this was also kind of inspired by Sip and Dip. My girl Chelsea did this adorable little freehand pumpkin. I'll leave a picture here and I'll leave her video in the description box for you guys, or up in the cards, either one. And I had a lot of you guys asking me for freehand nail art for Halloween, and I'm not an artist by any stretch of the imagination at all. But I'm like, all right, I saw Chelsea do it. I can do that. No problem. We're going to find out. Maybe it'll come together. But this color surprised the ever-living heck out of me. I had no idea. Now, it says it's a glow powder, right? It does. I was warned. However, I didn't know about the glow until after this whole thing was said and done. And even when I cure it, usually I can tell the glow when I stick it in the UV LED, But this, I'm going to call this the, I don't know, business by day, party by night mani. Because it really is party by night. Wait till you guys see the photos. It is insane. So I'm going to go in with my normal dip application. This color was a little bit sheer. Didn't mind it at all. I did an extra dip. It could have very well have been the Virgo and Gem liquids that I'm using, because that liquid happens to be super, super thin. I usually require an extra dip. So I'm going to do 3 dips total of the color. I believe you're only going to see 2, just because I didn't want to be super redundant. And then I'm going to cap and clear. And I'm doing just a 1 color basic mani, and we're going to do a little freehand nail art coming up here in a bit. Oh, I should mention, Flimsy Claws is sponsoring a giveaway for you guys. She sent over some colors that one of you guys will win. I think it's one, either 1 or 2. Either way, be subscribed, like the video, comment down below on the best way to reach you, and I will pick a winner or 2 in a couple of days, send you out some gorgeous colors from Flimsy Claws. So definitely check out the box for that info. If you're wondering what my malfunction is, why I'm doing my nails in a weird order, it's for no reason other than my peel base just dried on certain nails before it dried on others. So when that happens, it happens actually quite often, believe it or not. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just heavy-handed on different nails, but I'm impatient and I don't want to wait for all my nails to dry. So if I find that a few are dry, I'll start with those nails and then move on to the other ones as they dry. That's it. No magic there. No MO, no nothing. Anyway, I'm going to let you guys watch for just a bit. I'm going to finish up my application with this color, get into the clear cap, activate file, the whole 9. I'll be back with you guys in just a bit. So I kind of fibbed a little bit. I did most of my filing and stuff off camera just for the sake of time because I am doing some freehand nail art that will be a little bit time intensive. So I will leave videos up in the cards or down in the box for you guys on how I do my filing and e-filing in case you want to check that out. I am going in with a buffing block. This is a specific buffing block from Tammy Taylor. It's $13 and I wouldn't suggest anyone buy it ever because it's just a ridiculous price for a buffing block. However, I do gel top coat, and if you do gel top coat also, that is a great buffer to use on your nails underneath gel top coat. If you're doing gel over dip, you should not be buffing your nails because it can cause the gel polish to peel. So I find the buffing block actually works really, really well. To prevent peeling also, you can use a gel base first. You could also use a gel primer. I like the Young Nails Protein Bond or Mia Secret primer. I think it's called Extra Bond, but either way you want to go. So I got my Sparkle & Co. gel top coat. It's the glossy gel top coat. I'm going to go ahead and get this on real quick, and then we're going to do a little bit of nail art. No rhyme or reason between grabbing the Sparkle & Co. As opposed to anything else. Just happens to be the one that was nearest to me at the time. I'm currently redoing my whole nail area, moving some stuff around. It just got way too cluttered. Literally have more stuff than I will ever be able to use in 6 lifetimes. I do donate a lot of stuff. People always wonder what I do with all this product that I have. I do donate a lot of it. I just have so much. I have so much, and I only have 2 hands. I'm not a tech, so I don't have clients to do. Oh, speaking of which, if you're new, hi, I'm Marlakris. I'm not a nail tech, as you just heard. I'm not a nail anything. I'm just a DIYer. I do this as a hobby. Started this about 2 years ago, been on YouTube now for about 1.5 years, and loving every minute of it. If you like this kind of content, definitely consider subscribing. I would love to have you as part of the Manny fam. I do also have a Facebook group. I promise I'll never try to sell you anything, ever. Ever. I'm the worst salesperson ever, just as an aside. I could never. But we do have a lot of fun in there. Lots of Manny inspo and encouragement and positivity. Some of the nicest ladies you'll ever meet in your life. So hop over there in case you're interested. I'll leave it in the box for you guys. But yeah, just grabbed my Sparkle & Co. gel top coat. I'm going to get this cured for 1 whole minute. And now we're going to do a little nail art. So I've got a couple of colors, and you can do this, by the way, with anything. You can use acrylic paints if you want. I will leave all the colors down in the box for you guys. I got this one. It's kind of like a light pumpkin peach color. I've got a gold that I'm going to use, and the Screaming Green that I'm going to use. You probably saw the Screaming Green. Did you see that one yet? No, it'll be my next upload. If you're in the Facebook group and you saw my green nails, that's right, Marla did a green Manny. You'll see that in the next upload. But for this one, we're going to do a little pumpkin. And as I said previously, I'm not an artist. I can't do anything freehand very well, hence all the stamping I do. But this was super easy. I'm going to start by making kind of like a wide heart, if you will. And I'm going to do 2 of these. I'm going to do my ring and my thumb, but I'm going to do it in reverse. So the ring is going to be pumpkin towards the edge, and the thumb is going to be pumpkin towards the cuticle. I don't know why. That's just the way it happened. So I'm going to go ahead and get this pumpkin done. I might let you guys watch for a little bit. I feel like sometimes talking through these things can be a bit distracting. But in short, I'm going to make the pumpkin shape. I'm going to fill it all in, throw in some accent lines and outline it with the gold polish. And then I'm going to do a little green stem, and we're going to call it a day. I will come back with you guys and check in just a bit. Just hopping in while I'm doing my nail art thing. Wanted to let you know that I am curing each step. That way, if I get to the next step and I mess it up, I don't have to take off the entire thing. I could just take off the part that I messed up. So I did the orange first, cured it, did the gold, cured it, and now I'm going to go in with the green and make a little stem. And you will see, I don't know if it's on this nail or my thumbnail, but I do, I don't know, do something with the green that I wasn't happy with, and you'll see me wipe it off. And you can do that because you cured everything else, so you don't have to go ahead and redo the entire thing, which is why I really like working with gel polish. You guys have probably seen me do a ton of nail art, especially last Halloween. I'll leave a playlist up here for you guys. I used a lot of acrylic paint, which I still love. I adore acrylic paint for a lot of things. But if you mess up, you're going to mess up the entire nail. So gel polish is pretty good for nail art if you want to cure each layer and not be afraid of screwing things up, because you will, I will, you will. It's what happens. None of us are perfect. How many times have I said it in my Facebook group? Practice makes better. Never perfect, because perfection is an illusion. Anyway, I'm going to get this on my thumbnail. I'm going to speed through it, let you guys watch, and I'll be back for a top coat, and then you'll get to see the glow. Wait till you guys see this. Stay tuned. So I went ahead and top coated, and this is the final look. How stinking cute are these pumpkins? Totally office appropriate. I feel like I can get away with this in a lot of professional environments, but wait, just wait. You guys don't believe me yet, and I know I'm building up suspense, but this glow is seriously insane. Before I show you the glow, I gotta finish my mani, and I need my Candy Skincare cuticle oil to do that. If you guys are not oiling your cuticles, shame on you. It is essential for keeping your nails healthy, promoting nail growth, and it makes them just look nicer. So why the heck not? Grab you some cuticle oil. I don't even care what you use. Just oil your damn cuticles, people. All right, you guys ready? This is the day look, and here is the night look. Red, glowing danger pumpkins. I don't know why I call them that. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.